Snow might look beautiful, but it's not all fun. When it piles up on roads and driveways, it can make life pretty tough. It might lead to delays, slippery streets, and even accidents. That's where snowplow equipment and trucks come in. Let's explore some of the top snowplow equipment and trucks that help keep things moving, even in the deepest snow. First, let's look at the Overson RS600. The RS600 was built to clear snow from airports. It easily handles heavy snow on runways, taxiways, and other surfaces. This machine moves up to 7,500 tons of snow per hour, making it one of the go-to choices for keeping flights on schedule during winter. It comes with a modern control panel, safety features like temperature sensors and overload protection, and even a fire suppression system. Plus, its low-emission engine meets strict environmental standards. At number 2, we have the Kahlbacher Airport SPS 530. GmbH, an Austrian company, focuses on creating reliable road maintenance equipment to tackle snow accumulation at airports. They developed the Kahlbacher Airport SPS 530, a snowblower built for heavy-duty tasks. This machine has a strong engine and auger system, capable of clearing large volumes of snow quickly. It has a working width of 6.2 meters and can blow snow up to 50 meters away, making it ideal for runways, taxiways, and other airport surfaces. The SPS 530 also includes safety features like an automatic startup function, overload protection, and emergency shut-off switches, ensuring safe operation even in tough conditions. Next, we have the Ploeger four-wheeler. AB Schmidt Group, based in Switzerland, focuses on keeping roads, railways, and airports clear and safe. Since starting in 1907, they've grown to serve over 50 countries, offering tools like snowplows, snowblowers, gritters, and de-icing equipment. For airports, they provide runway sweepers and de-icing equipment. For airports, they provide runway sweepers and de-icing units designed to clear snow and ice, making takeoffs and landings safer. They also prioritize sustainability, using renewable energy and cutting emissions in their operations. Beyond products, they offer maintenance and support to ensure everything runs smoothly over time. Number 4, we have the Finland's Vammas. Vammas, a Finland-based company, specializes in making snow removal equipment for airports. Their tools include snowplows, runway sweepers, de-icing units, and snowblowers, all designed to clear snow and ice from runways, taxiways, and other critical areas. With over 40 years in the industry, Vammas is trusted by airports worldwide, including in North America, Europe, and Asia. Their equipment is built for efficiency and reliability, helping airports manage heavy snow quickly to keep operations on schedule. By ensuring safe runways and taxiways, Vammas supports the safety of aircraft, passengers, and airport personnel. Number 5, we have the Snowwolf 1050. The Snowwolf 1050 from Airport Technologies Inc. is built for speed and for efficiency. With 2 engines delivering 150 horsepower to its blower head, it can clear up to 7,500 tons of snow in just an hour. The motor and blower are designed to be detachable, making maintenance quick and simple. Its 4-wheel drive carrier, powered by a separate electronic engine, allows it to reach speeds of up to 80 km per hour. At number 6, the Butcher Municipal. This machine has introduced the Teplex telescopic snowplow, designed to tackle snow removal in cities and municipalities. This snowplow works well with larger vehicles, making it suitable for clearing roads, parking lots, and other public spaces. The telescopic design allows the blade to extend and retract, offering flexibility to handle different tasks efficiently. Made from high-strength steel, plow is built to withstand heavy use and tough conditions. Its sharp and cutting edge helps clear snow quickly and effectively. Attaching and detaching it from vehicles is simple, making it easy for operators to switch between different tools as needed. Moving on to number 7, we have the Kurgandormash. This is a Russian company based in Kran, which has been making snow removal and road maintenance machines since 1949. They offer tools like snowplows, snowblowers, gritters, street sweepers, asphalt pavers, and road rollers. Their snow removal equipment is used by municipalities, airports, and road construction firms across Russia and beyond. Known for their reliability, these machines help keep roads clear and traffic moving safely during harsh winters. Kurgandormash also focuses on reducing emissions and making its projects environmentally friendly. Next, we have Plant Region 45. The road equipment Plant Region 45 has been producing road building and maintenance equipment since 1945. Based in Ryazan, Russia, they supply tools like snowplows, snow blowers, gritters and road sweepers, along with road rollers and asphalt pavers. Their machines are built to handle tough weather conditions, ensuring safe and smooth traffic flow during winter. Municipalities, airports and construction companies across Russia and other countries rely on their products, which are known for efficiency. At number 9, we have the Kahlbacher. Kahlbacher is known worldwide for creating snow clearing machines and custom solutions for various carrier vehicles. One of their standout products is the KFS 1150, a versatile snowblower attachment. Designed for its use with tractors that have up to 600 horsepower, this unit gets the job done efficiently. The KFS 1150 features a precise coordination system between its blower and its spiral cutter, allowing snow to be thrown up to 50 meters in any direction. It has a working width of 250 millimeters. Number 10. The Arctic Machine OY. Arctic Machine OY, based in Switzerland, provides road maintenance tools built for efficiency. One of their standout products is this 4.6 meter wide snowplow. Its design features thick polyethylene wings with steel edges, making it durable for heavy snow clearing tasks. What sets it apart is its ability to maintain truck speeds of up to 90 km per hour during use, cutting down fuel consumption while getting the job done faster. Arctic Machine also offers side blades, all designed with flexible inserts to ensure thorough snow removal without causing damage to road surfaces. Number 11. The Snowwolf SB 1050. Airport Technology Inc., a Canadian company, is well known for its airport snow removal equipment. One of its standout machines is the Snowwolf SB 1050. Built with 2 engines, it uses 1,500 horsepower just for its blower head, making it capable of clearing 7,500 tons of snow every single hour. A key feature is the detachable blower and motor, which simplifies maintenance and reduces downtime. The 4-wheel drive carrier runs on its own electronic engine, allowing the machine to reach speeds of up to 80 km per hour, around 50 miles per hour. With its power and its efficiency, the Snowwolf SB50 is designed to handle even the toughest airport snow clearing jobs. At number 12, we have Overson. Overson, a Norwegian company with nearly a century of experience in snowplow manufacturing, recently introduced the RS400, a next-generation runway sweeper. This machine runs on a 435 horsepower MTU 6R1110 engine, delivering a maximum torque of 2100 Nm. Equipped with a front snowplow and a 1.2 meter diameter brush, the RS400 clears snow across a 5.5 meter working width. It operates efficiently at speeds between 25 and 65 kilometers per hour, making it a reliable choice for airports. The RS400 features a modern design using high-tech fiberglass materials. Moving on to the next machine, we have the LaRue D97. LaRue, a Canadian company, has long been a leader in snow removal equipment. The LaRue D97 is a single-stage snowblower that uses its auger to gather and discharge snow through the chute. Its triangular box construction and well-balanced power-to-weight ratio make it stable and reliable. The left-mounted radiator helps reduce frost buildup and blockages, ensuring consistent performance even in tough weather. A hydraulic tilting chute allows the operator to clear blockages safely from ground level, adding convenience and safety. The 36-inch drum outlet extension increases the snow casting distance, making it effective for large-scale operations. Next, we have the Overson Rosen TV1000. This is a powerful self-propelled snowblower built for airport operations. It clears snow depths from 1 centimeter to 2 meters in a single pass, making it efficient for both light and heavy snowfall. The machine uses a 4-wheel drive with steering for smooth maneuverability, ensuring it performs well in different conditions. Its cabin design allows for placement at the front or back of the blower chute, giving operators a clear view of their work. The TV1000 can throw snow as far as 45 meters. Next, we have the AB Schmidt HP 1500. The AP Schmidt HP 1500 is built specifically to clear snow from railroad tracks. This massive machine, made with 76 tons of steel, can handle the toughest winter conditions. It has 2 engines, one to drive the machine and the other to power the blades, allowing it to remove up to 10,000 tons of snow per hour. Despite its size, the HP 1500 can operate at speeds of up to 60 miles per hour, making it both powerful and efficient. The snow it clears can be ejected up to 4 yards away, keeping tracks clean and safe. Have you seen one of these in the past? Leave your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share the video, and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any upcoming content. See you in the next video. Bye for now.